With more advanced technology, not only auto exterior accessories, but interior ones have been finished with various materials. Simply touching glossy wood, aluminum, carbon, or high-glossy interior trims can cause swirls on the surface. For this reason, it is not optional, but essential to apply paint protection films not only to exterior parts of cars, but to interior ones. RealCut, the Clif Designs computer cutting software designed on the basis of experts' actual construction data, helps to noticeably reduce the time and risk factors of film cutting, the process that accounts for the highest percentage of interior-exterior PPF installation work, to increase work efficiency, to lessen burden, and to support easier and higher quality installation in a wide range of work. RealCut, designed in consideration of perfection of installation, offers a variety of exterior and interior pattern DB of global cars. The software has easy menu configuration and supports easier customizing in the situation where an existing pattern needs to be edited due to an option difference. Clif Designs RealCut will become a good solution for car owners who want to make their interior and exterior parts look new all the time.